join me in welcoming the Honorable Congressman Sam S.V. Versosa.
Good evening, Boracay. Wow, pagpasok ko, grabe, nakita ko yung kagandahan ng buong Aqua Boracay. Just wanna say thank you to Tito Tony and Tito Carol ko, and of course the whole Co family for their continuous support to Miss Universe Philippines. It's been almost 3 years, and I hope mas mahaba pa yung relationship and pagsasamahan natin, Tito Tony. Let's give Tito Tony and the whole Co family a round of applause, guys. Hindi lang world-class beauty ng Pilipinas at ng mga Pilipina, kundi pati yung resort ng Aqua Boracay. World class, grabe, sobrang ganda po. Nakita nyo naman from the video, yung po yung mga ginawang activities ng Miss Universe and Aqua. This day po, this afternoon, we went to the Ati Village. Kasama po yung mga Miss Universe candidates. We brought some groceries, nag-medical vision po kami, nagdala rin tayo ng mga gamot para sa mga pangangailangan ng mga kababayan nating Ati. Yun, marami tayong napasaya, marami tayong nabigyan ng pag-asa. Doon ako sobrang saya. That's the true essence of Miss Universe, being relevant to this world and of course, changing lives one person at a time. And kanina, hope nakapagbigay tayo ng pag-asa to the whole Ati community. I just wanna thank everyone who supported this event. No, hindi na kayo makapag-antay. Yun lang po, maraming salamat and good luck to the ladies. Thank you.